What really exists beneath our feet? Is the Earth just rock and fire on the inside? Or is there something far stranger hidden below us? And why did Soviet scientists drill the deepest hole in human history, only to suddenly stop and seal it forever? What did they discover down there? And what would happen if we kept digging all the way to the Earth's core? The journey you're about to hear is not entirely science fiction. It's based on the most terrifying drilling experiment ever attempted by humanity. In 1989, Soviet scientists made a very strange decision. They shut down a project they had worked on for 24 years. Then they sealed the hole, covered it with metal, and never returned. No war, no bankruptcy, no explosion, just silence. The official reason was unexpected temperatures. But the real question is, what did they actually find down there? This was the Kola Superdeep Borehole, the deepest hole ever drilled by humans. The drilling began in 1970 in northern Russia. The goal sounded simple: reach deeper into Earth's crust than ever before. After 24 years of non-stop drilling, they reached a depth of just 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers, that may sound huge, but compared to Earth's radius of more than 6,000 kilometers, they barely scratched the surface. But the real horror wasn't the depth. It was what they found there. The rocks started behaving like hot plastic, closing behind the drill as they moved forward, and the temperature, almost 180 degrees Celsius, twice what scientists expected. Then came the strangest discovery of all: liquid water at a depth where water shouldn't even exist. And that's where they stopped. But what if they hadn't? Imagine we had future technology and decided to continue drilling all the way to the center of the Earth. What would we see? First, we pass through the crust, the thinnest and coolest layer, but the deeper we go, the more hell begins. At extreme depths, temperatures reach 1,000 degrees Celsius. Any normal drill would melt instantly. So the only solution would be a giant laser, a machine powerful enough to vaporize rock instead of breaking it. Even with that technology, it would still take nearly a full year just to cross the crust. Then we reach the mantle. And this is where Earth becomes truly terrifying. The rock is no longer fully solid, but not fully liquid either. It moves slowly, like burning caramel. Any tunnel you create would close behind you almost immediately. As if the Earth itself refuses to let you inside. Temperatures rise above 1,500 degrees. Pressure crushes everything. And even if we somehow kept going, crossing the mantle alone would take decades. Then we finally arrive at the most dangerous place on Earth, the outer core. An enormous ocean of molten iron. Not water, not lava, a sea of liquid metal. Its temperature is nearly as hot as the surface of the sun, and here drilling becomes impossible. The only option is to drop a super dense tube into the molten iron and let gravity pull it downward as you descend. Every electronic device would fail. Your compass, your communication systems, your navigation, everything goes dark. Because this place creates Earth's magnetic field, the shield protecting all life from solar radiation. Without it, life on the surface wouldn't exist. Then finally, you reach the inner core, the heart of the planet. Even though temperatures exceed 6,000 degrees Celsius, the iron here remains solid. Why? Because the pressure is so extreme, it locks the atoms in place. Scientists believe most of Earth's gold is buried here, deep in the center. And then, after decades of drilling, you arrive at the point where down no longer exists, the exact center of Earth. And there, you would feel something strange. Nothing. Gravity disappears completely. The entire planet pulls on you equally from every direction, canceling itself out. You would float in total darkness inside the heart of the Earth. But now comes the terrifying question. What if a tunnel passed through the entire planet, and you jumped into it? At first, you would fall faster and faster. After around 21 minutes, you would shoot through Earth's center at incredible speed. And after 42 minutes, you would reach the opposite side of the planet. But there's one problem. The moment your speed reaches zero, if you don't grab onto something immediately, gravity pulls you back again. Down, up, forever. An endless trap. Now imagine this. If a real tunnel through Earth existed, would you jump into it? Or do you think there are things deep underground humans were never meant to see? Tell me in the comments which part of this journey terrified you the most. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next video might be about a place on Earth even more dangerous than the planet's core.